Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna share you a valuable information about the mission Gaganyaan. If you are visiting first time to our channel, click the red color subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Then you will don't miss my updates. And this is Pawan Space. Let's welcome to my channel.
Here we go.
India's first manned space mission, Gaganyaan, will send 3 people to space. India is also to send 3 persons, 2 men and 1 woman are expected to be sent into space for 7 days aboard India's first manned space flight, Gaganyaan. The spacecraft will take place in a low Earth orbit of 300 to 400 kilometers. Gaganyaan to reach in the space in just 16 minutes of launch. Giving details of the program, joint press conference with ISRO Chairman K. Shivan, Minister of the State for Atomic Energy and Space Jitendra Singh informed that GSLV Mark III, the 3-stage heavy lift launch vehicle, will be used to launch Gaganyaan as it has the necessary payload capability. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO Chairman K. Shivan said that under the Gaganyaan schedule, 3 flights will be sent into orbit. One of the 3 will be 2 unmanned flights and 1 human space flight. The human space flight will be take 16 minutes to reach the orbit and it will stay for 5 to 7 days. Shivan said, adding that after deboost, the orbit module will take 36 minutes to splash down in the Arabian Sea. The crew module will be recovered within 15 to 20 days. GSLV Mark III is a 3-stage heavy lift vehicle with the 2 solid motor straps on its S200, a liquid propellant core stage L1100 and a cryogenic stage C25. It is capable of launching 4 tons of class satellites to geosynchronous transfer orbit GTO. ISRO's launch schedule. ISRO Chairman K. Shivan said that project is in the process since 2004 and it would be completed before 75th Independence Day in 2022. As per ISRO schedule, the first unmanned flights would be sent in orbit within 30 months, beginning from the August 2018. The second unmanned flights would be sent within 6 months of the first launch. The third and the first human spaceflight would be placed in orbit within 4 months of the second launch. The launch of the human spacecraft is likely to take place at the end of the December 2021 or January 2022. To accelerate the program, ISRO may consider seeking collaborations with space agencies from friendly countries. Orbital Module. The Gaganyaan mission was announced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi during its Independence Day address. He said that by 2022 or even before that, some of the young boys and girls will be unfurled the tricolor in space. With a mass of 7 tons, the Gaganyaan system module is named by the ISRO or Orbital Module, a combination of the service module and crew module. The crew module, in which the 3 astronauts will live for space, be made of 3.7 meter diameter and 7 meter height. To send human to space, ISRO has to develop the critical technologies like re-entry mission capability, crew escape system, crew module configuration, thermal protection system, the prototype of a spacesuit. The Space Capsule Recovery Experiment (SRE) was conducted in 2007. Crew Module Atmospheric Re-entry Experiment (CARE) and pad test in 2018. Scientists said the pad abort test demonstration the safe recovery of the crew module in the case of any exigency during the launch of the mission. The program is expected to cost less than 10,000 crores. Jitendra Singh said, adding, the mission will make India 4th nation in the world to launch a human spaceflight mission. Gaganyaan will enhance science and technology of the country. ISRO Chief Shivan said, describing the benefits of the Gaganyaan, it will enhance science and technology levels of the country, help in national projects involving the other institutes, academia and industry, and to improve the industrial growth. It will also inspire youth to take challenges in science and technology, additional human resource development, and provide the way for the international collaborations and policies. He also mentioned that the mission will help in providing employment to 15,000 people. Of them, 861 will be from ISRO, 1366 from national agencies, and 11,050 from industries. Vyomitra. On 22nd January 2020, ISRO announced Vyomitra, a female-looking robot who will accompany other astronauts in the mission. It can detect and give out warnings if environmental changes within the cabin get uncomfortable to astronauts and change the air condition. It can also take posters suited for launch and tasks and take commands.
Hello everyone, I am Vyomitra, the prototype of the half-humanoid being made for the first unmanned Gaganyaan mission. I can monitor crew module parameters, alert you, and perform life support operations. I can mimic all crew activities like switch panel operations, ECLSS functions, etc. I can also be your companion, can converse with the astronauts, recognize them, and can also respond to their queries.
We are really simulating human functions so that it will be interacting with the environment control life support system. So whether the system is in by right, so this will be very useful to simulate as if a human is flying. It will be simulating the exact human functions there.